What it do, GJCC? You already know what time it is. We finna get this thing popping. I'm on the phone with Lavon right now. This is the first section right here, dog. This is the first section. He want me to get his sister Lavon. She stay in New York. She got 2 kids, so you know what I'm saying. I'm finna find out what I'm gonna do to get her to get real mad. So let me get this phone right here popping. Hold on. Let's see. And this is gonna be funny right here. Let me see, where's his speakerphone at? Hey, how you doing, honey? I'm good. Do you stay in New York right now?
What?
Yes, cause I was driving my car the other day and your 2 children came out there in the road and messed my tires up.
What?
Yes, I was driving the other day and your little 2 children came out there in the road and messed my tires up.
What do you want me to do about it?
I'm gonna need you to pay for the bill.
I would never do that in a million years.
You wouldn't do that in a million years.
Yeah.
Miss Lavon, I don't know, already went to court about this, so, you gonna have to do something. You're gonna do something right now.
I don't want to do nothing.
You say what? Look at your heifer. Hello?
What?
Yes, I'm gonna need you to do something about that, or I'm gonna be at your house tomorrow morning.
Who is this?
This is Teresa Bethel from New Bethel Church.
And who are you looking for?
I'm looking for Lavon.
Who?
Lavon.
And you are from where?
You say what? I'm from New York, honey. I'm gonna need you to do something about my car. My car is messed up and I gotta go to church in the morning.
And what happened to your car?
You say what?
What happened to your car?
Your children came out there. I was going 35. Your children ran out there in the road and messed my tires up.
My kids ran out the road and messed their tires up?
Yep. Your children came out there in the road. I was driving and she made me push on brakes. Your children come back out there again. I'm gonna run and pick their ass over. Hey, bro, she hung up. She hung up. Hey, I told y'all, man, we doing this for real. It's gonna get live. We got more to come. Y'all stay tuned. This is Real Talk. This your boy Manny. And your boy Lavon set this up so y'all get our boy props. You know what I'm saying? Big ups to him. And I will see y'all later. You feel me? One.